and I'm gonna tell you about scientific notation. So first, scientific notation is when you have something that looks like this. And just has a bunch of zeros and numbers and everything. And how we shorten this is instead of having all those zeros and everything, we just would have 3 times 10. And then how many times would we move the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then it would be 10 to the 5th power. And then you can, when you want to get something out of scientific notation, you would just take this here number and then move the decimal point that many times to the right, and you would get it. Okay, and then you have that, and now we'll go over a couple of questions for you guys. So let's go. It's a bad 0. Okay, and I'll give you a couple seconds to figure out your answers for those. Okay, hopefully you have them by now. So the first one would be, obviously you start off with the 45, and then since it is a 5 as the power, we'd move the decimal point 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then it would be, ooh, that was bad. That would be 4,500,000. It's not that hard. And if you would happen to have a negative power, then you would just move the decimal point to the left instead of the right. So you would go like that and go over there. Anyway, so for the second one, we would have 5, and then it is to the 8th power. So I'm going to take that, move the decimal point 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then we would fill those in with zeros, and so on. And now I have one more for you guys. It's going to be somewhat of a challenge. As you can see, we have a negative power right there. Okay, I'll give you a couple seconds to figure that out. Okay, hopefully you are done by now. And now we can start solving this. Okay, so we start off with 54 and 6/10. So since it is negative, which way would we be moving the decimal point? To the left. Okay. 5 times because the number is 5. Okay, so we'll move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we would have a way smaller number than we had previously. I hope you like the general understanding of scientific notation.